And British government is one of the people that are sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria. Listen to it well. British government is the one of the people that are sponsoring these terrorists in Nigeria. I'm the one that's saying it. British government is the one of the people that sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria. During the Biafra war, British government killed millions of Igbos in Nigeria. Since 2009, British government is one of the people sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria. It shall not be well with Britain. British government leave Nigeria alone. You people are the one of the people sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria. British government, this blood since Biafra war kill millions of Igbos. Right now, you are in support of killing of Christians in Nigeria. This blood will fight. British government, you are eating food on top of blood. United Kingdom, you are eating food on top of blood, human blood. United Kingdom, you people are a disgrace to Christianity. How can a nation, you brought Christianity, you introduced Christianity in Nigeria, and you are in support of killing of Christians in Nigeria? You are a disgrace to Christendom. British government. United Kingdom, you are a disgrace to Christendom. How can a nation you colonize, you support them, the criminals of Igbos during the Biafra war, and you are telling me that you don't have power to stop these terrorists, to come down and know the problem of Nigeria? You are pretending that you don't know what is going on. There shall not be war in United Kingdom. British government is the one of the people that sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria. I'm the one that's saying it. I'm not afraid of what you will do. I'm not afraid of anything. British government, it shall not be well with you people. It shall not be well with you. Every day killing of Christians in Nigeria, killing of the Christians, and you people are not doing anything. You pretending that you don't know what is going on in Nigeria. United Kingdom, United Kingdom, the blood that you people have killed in this land is crying against you. United Kingdom, the blood of you people have shed in this land it will fight against you people that are trying to take over Nigeria, killing people. You are telling me that you are not aware, and you are in support of giving them land in Nigeria. British government, if you people have said Nigeria, tell Nigeria. British government, if there is any agreement, United Kingdom, that you people have with Fulani, let us know. We cannot keep quiet anymore. We have kept silent enough in this land. From now going on, United Kingdom, there shall be no be peace in United Kingdom, because you people make us no peace in Africa, no peace in Nigeria. You people brought us confusion, trouble, disaster in Nigeria. British government, it shall not be well with United Kingdom. From now going on, there shall be a trouble in United Kingdom. There shall be a trouble in United Kingdom. This blood that you people have shed in Nigeria will fight against you people until you people repent. And all the politicians in Nigeria, the time has come. These terrorists that you people are sponsoring, we started fighting. The time has come. They will start killing the politicians. All these politicians that are sponsoring these terrorists, there shall be a confusion among you people. There shall be a confusion. Not all these politicians, government officials in United Kingdom that are in support on this thing that is going on in Nigeria, it shall not be well with you if you do not repent. And the Secretary General of United Nations, you must do what you're supposed to do in Nigeria. Because if you keep quiet, God will judge you.